Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So the question is how to solve 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 minus 2 to the power 98. So let's see. Equals to 2 to the power 100 can be written as 2 to the power 98 plus 2 minus 2 to the power 99 can be written as 2 to the power 98 plus 1 and 2 to the power 98 as it is 2 to the power 98. And we know the formula a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. So from this formula we can write that 2 to the power 98 into 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 98 into 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 98. Okay, then taking common 2 to the power 98, 2 to the power 98 common. Okay, then under bracket 2 square minus 2 to the power 1 minus 1, okay, equals to 2 to the power 98 as it is. 2 square equals to 4 minus 2 minus 1 equals to 2 power 98 into 4 minus 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So it becomes 1 equals to 2 to the power 98. So this is the answer. If you enjoy the video, do like and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Thank you.